So viewers, welcome to the Chamber of Secrets. In this class, I will discuss you about the derivation of v is equal to u plus at by calculus. So let's start after the intro. So at first, we can write that according to the calculus rule, dv by dt is equal to a. That's right. So we can write that dv by dt is equal to a, and I can also write that dv equal to a dt and integration dv equal to a integration dt. The upper limit is v and lower limit is u, so we can write that integration dv equals to a integration dt. So now the upper limit is v and lower limit is u equals to a upper limit t lower limit 0 dt. So we can write integration dv v upper limit v lower limit u and a t upper limit t lower limit 0 and v minus u is equals to at. So we can write the last line v is equals to u plus at, and the proof has been completed. So we have already completed the proof v is equal to u plus at. So please like, comment, share and subscribe for more and more videos. So for today, bye.